a treat today. I think all three of them are taking off. Here comes the second one. I think the fuel burn rate on these is 300 gallons per hour in flight. Third and final one. Now you'd think they're going to taxi to take off, go to the runway, but these are big choppers. They're not going to do that. They've selected an area of this airport on a taxiway deliberately because they're about to, as you can see, look at that blowing of the snow here on the side. Yep, there goes the first one. He's airborne. But you don't want to be anywhere near them in a small airplane or small aircraft. I think they're going to take it in turns. I doubt they would take off all three at the same time. See, the lead one is just hovering. I saw one of these blow over a Cessna 172 once. It's maybe a year and a half ago. An airplane, looks like a Kodiak turbine wanting to taxi back. It's going to get in our picture. What a treat! 3 Chinook helicopters and a Kodiak turbine. Competitor to the Caravan. When they're about to take off because the sound of the blades change as they increase the pitch. It creates more of a thudding noise. There we go. Now the second one's doing the same maneuver. Going into hover. This is a pre-flight where he tests his controls. I hope they only have to do this once for the whole day. They don't have to do it every flight. So if I'm correct about this, then the third one, which is the one on the left, should be doing the same procedure. Here comes a twin of some sort. First one's in the air again. Oh yeah, look at that blast. purpose of it is for refueling midair. Obviously sidestepping the turbulence created by the first one. So it's just lonely you. Nose extends all the way out so it can be refueled in flight. These things are massive. Oh, he's looking at me now. Am I in trouble? So his two buddies left, and he's behind. Mechanical problem? Is he coming back? Seems that way.